What's up and welcome to the channel again. Just cut the last video when we worked on the dirt bike. We're gonna stick with the same thing with the small engine and pretty much like the dirt bike. This one the basic case out, so it was free. So can't complain, but missing nearly all the screws for the car. I guess I'm trying to work on it and couldn't get it running, so he just lost all the screws to it and everything. Don't have the air filter housing for it. Let me see what else. Everything else. They look good. I haven't pulled the spark plug yet. I'm just gonna put it together and see if I get it fired. If I can't, then I have to diagnose it. But I moved it along and got the air filter housing for it. I also got all the screws for to replace it. So I'm gonna start by cleaning this out. I'm pretty sure this was the reason he took it off in the first place. But I'm gonna clean this out real good and I'm gonna put the whole thing together and go from there. See where the fire, I'm gonna get you back on when I get started. Okay, so we have the car up here. What I had to do was I had to spray it down with PB Blaster because the choke and the throttle flaps wet seed stuff, but now they move freely. So then I had used my pliers and pulled this out the bottom of it, and that jet here completely clogged. I think you can see through it now, but the way I unclogged it was I took a few different size safety pins and I started with the smaller one and I made a hole through it. Then I just went up to the hole, got all the way clear. So I just had to reassemble the carbon now and get it back on. And I get you back on. Then I knew the jet would clog because when I first pulled it out, it was still old gas in here, even though the car sat up for like over a year. So I'm pretty sure it'll run now. I just got to get everything back together. But I'm gonna get the car back together and get it on first, then I'm gonna get you back on. Okay, I got the jet back in, and I was about to put the bowl on. And with the bowl, you have the bottom down there. You have to make sure you get that point in that bottom line it with the screw hole. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is Troybilt Tb230. It's a grip and for the carb screw, since the carb is plastic, I have set tapping screws. One's like this one, these. It just goes right in. Get them nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it. It is plastic. And the carb is ready to go on. Attach that one first. The throttle. Then attach the choke lever. Okay, now we can slide it on now. Slide a fuel line on. And it's on. Okay. Throttle Choke work, throttle work. None. Time for the air filter housing. That one's and I tested holes at the back before I test the air filter housing. Let me get my clamp on my fuel line. Okay, dump on the fuel line. Test these holes on the back. The air filter housing first. And you see the zip in the hole. My other self-tapping screw. And run them in. And these shorter ones, I got them for to go from the housing to the car. Just gotta line it up. And the other one. Make sure they get them tight. Okay. And my last one for the last housing. Here. All of them all tight. The carburetor is sitting flush against the engine. Choke, throttle. Just add my air filter and the cover now. Get you back out. I just check on everything. Okay, we got the mower put back together. We're about to attempt the first start on it. Another one out.